Geoff, with automotive passenger car manufacturing ceasing in October, what will the automotive industry look like once that happens?
The automotive industry will be predominantly retail, service and repair, even though we will still make bus, trucks and trailers and those sorts of things, David, special vehicles. The industry will still be 2.2% of GDP in Australia, about $35 billion. It will still employ 360,000 people. It'll keep 70,000 businesses going. I think it's worth stating that even though we bemoan the passing of automotive manufacturing, 4/5 of the industry was always in the retail, service and repair sector. That part of the industry will come to the fore, and it will be more in the spotlight with government as well. In many ways, it's a rebirthing of the retail, service and repair side, because it will be independent, it will be the spotlight for all the automotive industry. Still employs a lot of people, still has 30,000 apprentices employed at any one time, one of the biggest employers of apprentices in Australia, in the automotive industry per se, but GDP still kicking big goals for the community and for their industry in Australia. That will remain for the next 10, 15, 20 years, David. Again, manufacturing, we don't like the fact it's not going to be here, but the future of automotive is very, very positive and will still employ a lot of people.